Yeah. Mm. Yeah. Today's topic is a very important in the percentages topic. In the last class, we completed that important percentage values, right? The if they will give the percentage symbol, we have to divide by 100. If we are creating the percentage, then multiplication of 100. And the next very important thing is, for example, there are the two persons are there. For example, there are how many persons? Two persons. Person A, listen careful. Sayagna, you mute your voice. There are two persons, person A and person B. For example, person A have 100 rupees. Person A have 100 rupees and the person B have 120 rupees. Person A 100 and person B 120 rupees. Then the next point is, from in this topic, my first question is, A is how much less than, A is how much less than B?
20 rupees.
Yes, how A is 20 rupees less than B. Yes, and the similarly, B is how much more than? Second question. B is how much more than A?
20 rupees.
20 rupees.
Very good. So, if they will give the question like this, can you answer or not? Yes. If they will give the two persons, A is how much less than B, then what to do? We have to subtract. How much more than? Again, we have to subtract. The same answer is the answer for the question number one and question number two. Answers are same, but the way of asking the question is a different, right? So now the third question is very important, Nana. The question number three is, A is how much percentage, how much, yeah, note it down, how much percentage less than B? You noted down these three? Yeah, from here to here. Total, what is there in the screen? Come write it complete. And the question number four, B is how much percentage more than A? Yeah, B. Copy these questions, four questions. Completed?
No, sir.
Fast. Ramakrishna, you.
Completed, sir.
Ramakrishna, yours?
No, sir.
Fast.
Over, sir.
Yeah, good. Then here see person A and person B, right? And person A have 100 rupees and the person B have 120 rupees. And what is the question number 3, Nana? What is our question number 3? A is how much?
A is how much less than more B?
Yes, how much percentage less? Yes or no? Yeah. When the question number 1 is percentage, yeah, this arrow symbol is the downward means percentage less. And the question number 4 is what? Percentage more. Yes,
B
sir.
is how much B is how much percentage more than A?
Yes, in that we have to concentrate the word is either percentage less or percentage more. We have to focus on these two, only two words. Either they are asking percentage less value or percentage more value. Now coming to here point. Point number 1. Here there are the two persons are there. Here, what is the difference between B minus A or A minus B? Either any answer. Or A minus B. Just tell me the difference of the maximum number minus minimum number. Always 120 minus
20.
120 minus
20.
100, how much? 100, right?
12.
20. Now, when you are finding the value is percentage less, then there is a one formula. Here, the difference of the question, difference of the given number by when you are finding the percentage less. Less means here write that out of these two numbers, which one is the maximum number? Bigger number is
100.
how much? What is the bigger number?
100.
100 or 120?
120. 120.
Here write that bigger number. What number? Bigger number. When they are asking the percentage less, difference by bigger number into 100. This is the formula. The percentage less, difference by bigger number into 100. When the percentage is more, see that when the percentage is more, your formula is difference by smaller number, difference by smaller number into 100. See the formulas? These are the formulas. Now, according to the percentage in the question number 3, what they are asking, percentage less or percentage more? Percentage less. Less means denominator is bigger. Here difference is the numerator, and in the second, third, fourth problem also difference is same. Either in the percentage less or percentage more. The numerator is same and into 100 is also same. The only changing is where denominator. So when the percentage less they are asking, write the bigger number denominator. When the percentage is more, they are asking more means bigger or not? Yes, more means big. When they are asking more, write the denominator is smaller. What is smaller? What is bigger? Out of the given numbers, which one is smaller? Which one is bigger? Can you see and tell me or not? While you are seeing the question, either any number, you can tell that this is a bigger sir, this is a smaller sir. Yes or no? Now, according to the question, now percentage less means difference how much I got? 20. Difference how much I got? 20. By what is the bigger number out of these two? 120. And into 100 is into 100. Right? Now, here, do the cancellation. 0, 0 cancel. 2 1s are 2 6s are. Now, here is a what? 1 by 6 into 100. Yes or no? What is the important percentage value of the 1 by 6? What is the important value of the 1 by 6? Turn the paper and tell me. What is the value? Ramakrishna, what is the important percentage value? Yeah, see and tell me. Important percentage value 1 by 6.
1 by 6, 2 by 3.
What is that, Ray?
16 2 by 3.
That is not 6, Nana. 16 2 by 3 into 100 is there. Instead of this, write the percentage symbol. That's the answer. No need to do this cancellation, this calculation also. No need to do this calculation also. Yes or no? 1 by 6 means 16 2 by 3 percentage. Now
Good morning, sir.
good morning. Now coming to the next question. Here, see the difference. What is the difference? 20 is the difference. And what is the denominator? Smaller number. Out of 100 and 120, which one is a smaller number? 100 is a smaller number. Yes or no?
100.
Write the here 100. And into 100 into 100. Yes. Then here I can cancel this 100 and 100 as is. Yes or no? Now the remaining number is what? 20. That is 20% is answer. See, in the question number 3, answer is different, and question number 4, answer is different. You have to follow according to that question. Either they are asking percentage less value or percentage more value. Percentage less means this is the formula. Difference by bigger number into 100. Percentage more means difference by smaller number into 100. You have to follow these two formulas. Understood, Ramakrishna and Sayagna?
Understood, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
copy.
sir.
Yes, copy. Yes, Pramod. Good morning. How are you?
Fine, sir.
Where is Vivin Raj? How are you?
Fine, sir.
Yes, Vivin. Copy first. Yes, copy first. Completed?
Completed, sir.
Good.
Completed.
No,
Yeah.
sir.
Yeah. Then write it note. Note. Write it. Everybody. Percentage increase is equal to percentage more. Percentage increase is equal to percentage more. Percentage decrease is equal to percentage less. Understood? Instead of percentage more, they will ask that what is the increase percentage or percentage increase. They will ask like this. Percentage
Increase
decrease.
means smaller, less than.
Increase means yes, your percentage
Less
formula
than.
is same. When the percentage is more, your formula is difference by
Different by bigger.
more means small.
Bigger.
More here is more. More means smaller.
Smaller.
More means smaller. Less means bigger.
Bigger.
This is the difference by bigger. Write it. These are the two formulas. Completed?
Yes, sir.
Ramakrishna? Yeah. Then the next question. The population of a town has increased. Population as a town has increased from 60,000 to 65,000. Find the increase percentage. Find the increase percentage. Yes. Can anybody tell the answer? How to solve this problem? Yeah, copied question, everybody? Did you copy it or not?
Sir, we will do, sir.
Yeah, do and tell me. Everybody do your own and tell me the answer.
Six 66,000.
265.
Completed or not?
Sir,
Ah,
500 by 600, sir.
500 by 600 means 0 0 cancel 5 by 6. Yeah, see. Let's check. Here there is a one town is there. The population of the town, you consider the first one is a and second increase is how much? B. So in the first there is a town, its population is how much? 60,000, right? Initially the town population is how much? 60,000. In the later, yes, everybody mute it. Pramod. Later, its population is increased by how much? 65,000. It is increased. Then your first job is what? How much percentage increase? Percentage increase or percentage more, both are same or not? Yes. What is the formula for percentage increase more? Difference by percentage
Smaller.
more means smaller. More means smaller into 100, right? And now coming to this point, here see that what is the numerator? The numerator is difference. What is the difference between the 65,000 and 60,000? 5,000 is difference, right? Yes or no? Difference of B minus A is how much? 5,000. 65,000, 60,000. 5,000 difference, and we required is what? Smaller number. A is smaller or B is smaller? Which one is the smaller?
A.
A is smaller because this is 60 and this is 65. A is smaller. So now we have all the data. Difference is 5,000 by smaller number is 60,000. So 60,000 into 100 is into 100. Yes, and you can cancel the numerator and denominator zeros. Here the three zeros are there. Here three zeros is cancelled. Here remaining one more zero, and here one more zero is cancelled. The numerator is 5 into here is 10, only one zero. Denominator is 6. 5 into 10 is 50 by 6. 50 by 6 is how much? Do the calculation. In 6 table, 6 ones are 6 eights are 56, 6 sevens are 42, 7s are 42, and remaining is 8, 0, yeah. 6 eights are how much? 48, okay. 6 eights are 48, 8, and here 2 is there, and if you keep the point, 2 become 20, 6 threes are 18. Then you can tell the approximate your answer is 8.3 percentage is increased. How much is increased? 8.3 is increased percentage. Understood this? What I did here, this 50 is there. Here there is a 50 and normal your division. Here 6, 6 eights are 48. The remainder is 2. Yes, and here options, actually the options are like this: 8 1 by 3 percentage, and second one 8 1 by 2 percentage. Like this, there is an option. Here there is a no point. If there is a point, you have to do the answer like this. If there is a no point, what to do, Nana? Here, when the your remainder is less than your divisor, when the remainder is less than your divisor, then you write the 2 like a mixed fraction by 6. Again here cancellation is what? 2 ones are, 2 threes are. So here what your remainder? Remaining number 8, numerator is 1 by 3 percentage. This is the answer. Either this also is correct or this also is. If they give answers options in the mixed fraction, do like this. If there is options in the points decimal, you do like this. Understood? Yes, Ramakrishna.
Understood, sir.
Yeah, copy none.
Over, sir.
Over? Good. Then the next question. Solve this question. Find 5% of 200. 5% of 200 plus 10% of 400. What is the answer? Can anybody tell me that answer, correct answer? Yes. What is the answer?
Yes, sir.
Do.
Sir, 1/2.
1/2. Not in the percentage. No. Here see. 5. 5. Percentage symbol they gave
40%.
by 100 into 200. Right? Plus 10 percentage by 100 of means into 400. Yes, then the 100 ones are 100 twos are cancel, 100 ones are 100 fours are cancel, 5 twos are 10 plus 10 fours are 40 equal to 50. That is the answer. Easy. Yes, understood or not? Hello? Yes, Ramakrishna,
Sir,
understood?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Then the A have 100 rupees, and B has 150 rupees. The question number, next question. Question is, A is how much A is what percentage of B? Next model. Note it down this question.
Copied.
This type problem, see the first question and this question, these two questions are different. In the first question, they are asking the question is what A is how much percentage less or percentage more. That is the first model. And now coming to in this model is what A is how much percentage of B. When they are asking A is what percentage of B, what percentage of B means what to do here. What is
50.
the, yeah, wait, not 50, not, don't tell the answer is the difference. Here A value is the first, right? A by B is how much? Here A is na, that's why I am writing the A value here, by 150 into 100. Do the simplification of this. Into 100 means in the percentage. 0 0 cancel, 5 2s are, 5 3s are. So here 2 into 100 is 200 by 3. 200 by 3 is how much? 2 by 3 means 66. 2 by 3 percentage. Yes or no? Important percentage value. Here see that 2 by 3 is there. 2 by 3 means 66. 2 by 3 percentage value. Here, what is the question? A is what percentage of B? Instead of this, if they are asked that B is what percentage of A means B is what percentage of A, then your answer, first write the B value, that is a 150
50 by 100
by 100 and into 100. This
into 100.
into 100 is common for every question. Then cancel it, 0 0 100 cancel, the remaining number is what? 150. 150 percentage is the correct answer for the next question. B is what percentage of A? Write the B value first, denominator is A into 100. This is another model, copy this. It is completed?
Completed, sir.
Yes. If you completed,
Completed.
yeah, if you completed that, on that day I sent one more paper. In the first paper, the question number 3. In the paper, there is a third question. See that John had 300 and he spent 100 rupees on books. I sent this paper to you already. Just try to solve this question. Okay. Here he has initially 300. He spent that how much? 100 rupees in outside. And they are asking that what is the percentage of his Expenditure means spending is how much? 100 is spent na.
200.
100 by 300 is the answer. 100 by 300 means 1 by 3. 1 by 3 means 33. 1 by 3. You do your problems your own, and in the next question, in the next class, everybody come to the learning of 10 questions. You can take the any 10 questions either from the internet or you are from the textbook. Yes, everybody how to explain 10 questions.
The percentage, sir.
Yes, from the percentage. You can explain any 10 questions. Tomorrow is only this. And I will record that video. Today video is already recorded and I will send it to you. And similarly, tomorrow class, those who explain to tomorrow, for them only the next class. For not for everybody. If you explain tomorrow 10 questions, I will send the next day after tomorrow the paper, class. Otherwise, there is no
Okay,
class.
sir.
Thank you. Bye.